Define document types and number ranges. What is the document type? Document type is used to classify the accounting documents and distinguish between the business transaction to be posted. So, for example, vendor accounts we will use KR, customer is DR, and GL account is SCA. And this is provided by standard by those are standard document types that is provided by SAP. Normally, we do not create any uh, document types. So if you require in your project, then only create. Normally, if you go to SAP, go to OBA 7. Here you can see SCA. This is the document type. If you click here, so all the number range is available here. So you can see SCA document type is allowed to assets, customers, supplier, material, GL account. But normally, so we will use for the GL accounts only. I'm just removing this. So if you want, you can use all tick marks also. So as per your wish. So and here negative postings permitted to this document type and intercompany transactions are available. And here you can see the exchange rates. So standard exchange rate is provided. So exchange rate is M. So the required during the document entry, while entering the document essay. So if you click on reference number here, you need to provide the reference number. That is a mandatory field. So that's a required. So without giving the reference number, the system will allow throws the error, so that you cannot post. You cannot go further. Okay. So I am not touching anything since this is a standard. And just go to number ranges. And our company code is GIP. And just create number ranges. This is 01 2026. I'm taking 10,000 to 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you can see external. The external option is there. External means, so you are, while posting the document, you need to provide the document number. So otherwise, system will not take information. So internal, if you do not give this information, so automatically system goes to the sequence number wise. So better don't give this external option here. So if in your project, if it is required, then only give this information. So function F1, if you click here, because this indicator which is determined whether number range is interval is external internal. So if you click here, this will be external. The SAP system issues number ranges for internal number ranges. So here you can see the SAP system issue the number ranges for internal number range intervals automatically. So automatically the system will provide the number range. If you click this external mark, this number is between the from number and to number. The last number issued the logout from the current number level. So you need to enter a number for external number issues. So if you click on here, you need to provide the document number while saving the document. So don't click this and just save. So from, you can see we went to FBN1. So from the document OBS 7, we can see the document type. There is a number range will be available. That number range we will assign from the FBN1. So if you click directly FBN1 also, it will come to here only. You can see the information. What is the company code? GIP. Display interval. You can check from here.